Hey guys, and welcome back to another travel vlog. I'm so glad I was able to film one of these while I was on holiday. Also, hello if you're new to my account. I'm Carson. I make content on lifestyle, bookish and wherever I desire, so feel free to subscribe. Anyways, onto the vlog. So we spent 3 full days in Wales. 2 days was spent on going to and from Wales by car, so it was a long road trip. I enjoyed it. I love long drives, so this was great. Day 1 was spent all in ABER waterfall. It was a beautiful experience, and seeing the waterfall in person was so beautiful, and I'm so glad I got to see it. So this day we spent most of the time just hiking up just to see the waterfall, and you'll see as I'm filming the process as well. And I must say it was a nice experience, but out of all the 3 days, this was my least favorite day because of the walking. So day 2 we spent most of the time at the beach. It's called Black Rock Sands, where you are able to take your car to the beach. It was a very nice experience. We even had a little picnic, and everyone was had a chance to drive with the cars with adult supervision, of course. And now on to day 3. So unfortunately this was the last day, so this was like a very chill day. We went to the LLANDUDNO, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. If not, excuse my pronunciation, LLANDUDNO PIER. They had a couple of things you could do, cable car and a train ride, but we chose the cable car ride, and the view was honestly immaculate. It was beautiful, and we came back down to spend more time at the pier and the seaside. It was also beautiful. Count how many times I say beautiful. Oh my gosh.